Let's take a look at the Application Settings menu. This is where you can customize how thinkorswim works for your specific needs. Go to Setup in the top right, then click on Application Settings. This opens up a whole world of customization options. Now, there are a lot of settings here, and honestly, there is no single right way to configure them. Your settings will depend on your trading style, your account permissions with your broker, and your personal preferences. But let me give you a quick overview of what's available. At the top, you'll see tabs for General, Notifications, Order Defaults, Hotkeys, and My Profile. On the left side, you'll see different options that can be configured depending on which tab you're on. Take some time to explore these settings on your own. Click through the different categories and tabs, read the descriptions, and adjust things that make sense for how you trade. You can always come back and change them later if something isn't working for you. The important thing is that these settings are here when you need them, and they let you tailor thinkorswim to fit exactly how you want to trade.